For beginners, it's always a good idea to put a piece of tape or whatever you got on there. The thing is, we only got to drill. We're drilling the shear line. So we're only going, this is a 5-pin, not a 6-pin. So right till we hit the tape there, we've gone enough for drilling the shear line. So don't drill it in all the way. I've seen that happen too many times. So that's it. We only got to drill that far. Same thing with picking. You only have to go in a little bit. You don't have to go too far in for picking. So put a piece of tape on there, whatever you got, black magic marker, and then don't drill too far when you have to drill open a lock. Put in the comments. Some people say drill slow, some people say drill high. I go very fast, and a lot of people like to go slow. So drill bits are cheap. There's one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, there's another one. Oh, he had one more, yeah. So that's just the pins. That some of the top pins have fallen back down, and sometimes the springs get in the way. And what we're doing is we're going to see if there's hard plate in here. In theory, we should never have been able to drill the shear line with the hard plate. I always drill it like it does have a hard plate, and sometimes the hard plate does get in the way, but sometimes not at all. And in this case, no, the hard plate didn't get in the line. There's the hard plate. Pop out now. There we go. Sometimes it just pops off, sometimes it gives you trouble. Now you can see exactly where we have to drill the mounting screws, there and there. So we're going to drill out the 2 mounting screws. Again, hard plate came out really, really easy. There you go, look at that. So again, easy to open once you drill it, drill the mounting screws. Okay, good stuff, job well done, go fast. So again, that says it. You can go slow and careful or just go for it. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.